Because the rocker arm contact surface has an oil passage, a special tool must be used when installing the rocker arm. During installation, first position the intermediate lever correctly. Then place the rocker arm onto the cylinder head. Install the special tool. Position the special tool on the cylinder head. The special tool must lie flat on the cylinder head. Slightly tighten the rocker arm bolts, then adjust the right side lever to preload the rocker arm. Tighten the lower fixing rod to secure the rocker arm. Tighten the rocker arm bolts to the specified torque. Remove the special tool. Place the spring into the tensioning lever, then insert it into the locating key. Note the torsion spring must be correctly positioned inside the tensioning lever. Secure the locating key in a vise. Slowly move the tensioning lever until it locks with the locking hook. Make sure both springs are fully seated in the side guide plates of the special tool. Insert the tool with the spring into the corresponding position in the cylinder head. Ensure both arms of the torsion spring are fully seated in the groove of the intermediate lever. In addition, the tensioning lever must lie flat against the cylinder head. Carefully release the tensioning lever. Check whether the torsion spring is correctly seated in the groove of the cylinder head.